Akala ng iba, commercial building lang yan. Pero ang totoo, pwedeng ito ang pinakaunang asset na magpapayaman sa pamilya mo. Maraming property owners ang may lupa, pero natutulog lang. Walang income, walang appreciation strategy, walang long-term vision. Pero imagine this, yung 300 square meter lot mo today, pwedeng maging apartment, office spaces, retail units, hybrid, or mixed use. Commercial building na kumikita kahit tulog ka. Pero ito ang biggest mistake ng karamihan. Nagpapatayo sila ng walang tamang planning. Maganda nga ang building, pero hindi profitable. Minsan, mali ang layout, mali ang parking flow, mali ang tenant strategy. Kaya hirap paupahan o mababa ang return. Kaya sa Dream Archon, we don't just design buildings. We design income-generating landmarks because every square meter should work for you. This is Architect Riza and I help property owners turn their empty lots into an earning landmark. So if may lupa kang matagal nang nakatenga, baka hindi mo kailangan ibenta. Baka kailangan lang siyang i-develop the right way. Message us and let's study your property's potential.